stools at the moment. So the first person we're going to call on is the first championship title winner of this year. The FIM Superstock 1000 Cup race ended this morning, and winner for the 7th time out of 7 races in BMW's debut year was from Italy, Edson Badovini, the 2010 Superstock 1000 champion. So there we go, round of applause for Edson. Move on to the top 3 in the Supersport race. Well, for the first time on the podium in his debut Supersport season for the Intermotor Czech Honda team. Italian name, but British through and through. Gino Ria. Come on, Gino. And of course, the second place man, 100% purchase for the hands-free Tenkata Honda team. Kenan Sopoglu. Round of applause. And winner here at Silverstone. He's Irish eyes are smiling, but he's British through and through as well. It's Eugene Rafferty, Takaga Honda. I've got easy questions for you now. Your English is good, and so congratulations, the first title, Superstock 1000 Cup champion. So how does it feel?
Yes, I'm very happy for this race and for this championship. My BMW is very fast, and I think we can go to the winner every race, and this is a good job for the win.
What about the new bike? The BMW is obviously doing quite well in Superbike this year as well, but much better in Superstock for the first year for the NTEC 1000R.
But I think with a good bike for the street and with a good team, it's possible win a race in Superstock and Superbike. Very, very nice bike.
Okay, there we go. That's Edson Badovini. Round of applause for the Italian